Mandazi is like the MVP of East African snacks. It's sweet, airy, and perfectly spiced, kind of like donuts but without the overkill sugar glaze. People always ask me how to get them just right. Soft inside, slightly crispy outside. Well, here's the deal. The ingredients are super simple. You'll need all-purpose flour, sugar, coconut milk, a pinch of salt, warm water, and something to make it rise, like instant yeast or baking powder. That's your base. What turns this from nice into wow is adding a hint of cardamom. Now, cardamom, this is where people get stuck. Use too little and no one notices. Use too much and you've got Mandazi perfume. I'd say a teaspoon per 2 cups of flour. Trust me, that's the sweet spot. Pro tip, freshly ground cardamom hits differently. Step 1, activate your yeast. Mix a teaspoon of sugar in a 1/4 cup of warm water and sprinkle on the yeast. If it gets all foamy and alive in about 10 minutes, you're good. If it doesn't, the yeast is probably expired. Game over. Step 2. Combine the dry stuff, flour, salt, sugar, cardamom, in a big bowl. Make a little well in the center like you're digging for Mandazi gold. Pour in the activated yeast, coconut milk, and a bit more warm water. Stir until you've got dough. Here's the non-negotiable. Knead that dough, like 8 to 10 minutes. Don't skip this step. It's how you get that pillow-soft texture. Push, fold, turn, repeat. Not kidding, if you skimp on kneading, your Mandazi will feel like hockey pucks. Let the dough rest. Cover the bowl with a damp towel and leave it for about 1 to 2 hours. This is where the magic happens. The dough should double in size, kind of like your optimism when you see it rise perfectly. Roll it out on a floured surface. Don't make it too thin. A 1/4 inch is excellent. Cut into triangles, circles, or whatever shape speaks to your soul. Meanwhile, heat your oil, and it must be medium hot. Too cold and they soak oil. Too hot, burned out sides. Drop them in a few at a time. Flip when the edges turn golden brown. This will take about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Watch them puff up gloriously like they're inflating with confidence. Remove and place on paper towels to drain excess oil. People mess up here by overthinking toppings. Powdered sugar is trendy, but I vote keeping it classic. Just serve them plain or with chai tea on the side. They're meant to shine solo. Adding too much screams insecurity. Sneaky tip, freeze any extra dough. When you're having a bad week, defrost, fry, and boom, instant homemade Mandazi joy. No one needs to know you made the dough days ago. It's like having a secret weapon in your freezer. Mandazi is nostalgia food. It's humble, simple, and reminds me of moments with friends over tea, just talking about life. If you nail this recipe, you're not just cooking, you're curating comfort. Let's normalize Mandazi for everyone, okay?